Look at that sick ass fucking jacket. What's up, Suburban Delinquent? I know. That's what you get for punching some Kevlar.
Mr. Tony Carbajal?
Oh yeah. Don't show his face. Don't show his face. I'm so glad I don't have mirrors on my bike. So I'm out here with Tony, Suburban Delinquent, and his buddy Ardy, and we're heading out to the car drift track to go watch some cars. So if you guys like cars as much as motorcycles, you're in for a good video. Ah! Ah! He broke his mirror. Tony broke his mirror right back. I guess we're fixing to go see some cars drifting today. So I guess it's a go-kart track. I think I know where we're going, but either way. Ooh, look at that view. There's like a big little water thing under here. That's why there's so much vegetation on it. Oh shit, you can see all the smoke. I think they're already drift roping it. Oh, I smell the tires. Woo! Meep. Yeah, smell that burning rubber.
You got up so I can take a ride?
You gotta be kidding me.
Yeah, go ahead. There's some bikes right there.
I just made a sick one over there.
Yeah, almost like stripping.
I'm invincible. Never die. Never die. I'm invincible. Never die. I'm invincible. Never die. I'm invincible. Never die. Never die. I'm invincible. Never die. I'm invincible. Never die. I'm invincible. Never die. I'm invincible. Never die. Die. I'm invincible.
Much love, Delinquent. Ride safe out there. Well guys, it's gonna go ahead and conclude today's video with Suburban Delinquent. Scott showed up randomly. Fucking Tony Carbajal. Make sure you hit up Suburban Delinquent, subscribe. Scott and Carrie Ann. Tony Stunts 1, subscribe, show him some love. Instagram, the whole motherfucking love. And if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to hit the fuck out of that like button. And you guys have a real good day. I'll see you guys later.
Yeah.